Good morning students, how are you all? Hope you are well and safe at home. As you know that we have done patterns in our last week. Today we will read, write and practice letter A. A is the first letter of the alphabet. Sound of letter A is A. Okay, here are some related vocabulary. A apple, a alligator, a ant, an airplane. Okay, let me show you how we will write letter A. First, you have to make a curve. Make a curve, go up and come down. Letter A formation is this, and you have to write letter A in mid two lines. Okay students, here is your English reading book. You have to open page number 16. And 16, on 16 page there is letter A. A arm, a axe, a ant. And song of A is the ants go marching one by one, the ants go marching one by one, and say a a a. Okay, let me show you action of A. Wiggle your finger above the elbow as if ants were crawling on you and say a a a. Okay, on 17 page you have to color the ant and trace following the given arrows. First, you have to make a curve like this, go up and come down. You have to trace these all lines. I hope students you get it. You have to send me these two pages on WhatsApp group. Take care. Allah Hafiz.